And welcome to Leons.lockpad. We've got a Yale Euro cylinder today. Now, I've had this a while. Not picked it yet. Well, I've had a little go, and to be honest, I've decided this is one of those Yales I absolutely hate. And I'll tell you why in a minute. If you're new to this channel and you're interested in lock picking or the lock sport community, please go and check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. If you like to see if you like seeing what's on my channel, and you like the content, please hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon, as I make 2 to 3 videos per week, from making locks to picking challenge locks to reviews, all sorts of things lock picking related, or lock related I should say. And if you go to about my channel, there is a long list of excellent pickers. If you check it out recently, I updated it and added a few more for a while, and obviously I've been doing this now for a little bit, nearly a year now, and I've made more friends, and I've had to make the list bigger because there's some absolute excellent pickers out there that needed to be on it. Right, let me get in this. Okay, that was a Harley going past the house. Yeah, this lot, I don't have a key for it. I think, I'm positive actually, I got this from Hobby Picker. I don't know if it's one of these where he was saying he was having a problem with it. Now, I don't know if it's a challenge lock or not, but I had a quick go of it, and I found that it's the most horriblest lock to try and pick. The feedback on it, there's none. And it doesn't matter how hard you do the tension, finding a binder is practically impossible. It is a really, really strange. Also, for pickers out there who've only just started and maybe you're a bit intimidated by a Yale, most Yales come with 2 spools, and that's it. And they're usually quite easy to find. You know when you've hit them because you get that nice fault set. This thing, I don't think this has got anything in it of that sort. But we're going to have a go. Let's have a look. I'm going to use a homemade tension wrench, which is just an Allen key ground down, and a hook that I got from Trickmaster 30. Like I say, you'll find Hobby Picker and Trickmaster on that list. If you want to check their channels out, like I say, great lads. Great pickers. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to put a lot, enough tension on this at the moment. It's practically going to bend this. I'm doing it that hard because, like I say, this thing has no feeling whatsoever. Even when I run it in now, you can hear all the pins just loose. No bind, no nothing. It's absolutely ridiculous, but hopefully we'll get it open and we'll find out what's in it. And there we go. Let's actually have a look at what's inside it. Definitely really, well, for me, sorry, I do apologise, this lock is really annoying, bugged the hell out of me. I want to know what's in it. Sorry about that. Right, I need to get this ring off. I've got no key, don't want to relock it. No. Try and relock it actually. I'll sit it upside down for a minute, that will be easier. There you go. Don't care, I hate those bendy ones. We got it off. Just put the pick in and we turn it around to there. Yep. Knocking my camera over. That's something we don't need. There we go. I'll just get a follower. Down there. Yep. Oh, it was a 6-pin. Knocking the camera over again. There we go. Right, yeah, it was a 6-pin. So, pin number 1, pin number 2, standard, and standard. Surprise. Anything there? Nope. Let's have a look what we got in here. Those are tweezers. Oh, here we go. Look for the tweezers. Number 1. Standard. That is a long driver. 2. Standard. That is another really long driver. Number 3. Here's another really long driver. Number 4. Longish. Medium, I'd say. Another long driver, and number 6, and a long driver. I forgot which springs. All copper. It's definitely a standard lock, but it shows how cheaply made this one was. Well, not cheaply made because it still feels nice. It's more there's no security pins in it, which for a Yale it should have at least 2. It should have 2 spools. But what I am going to do with this look at some point, like I say, they've got really long drivers, as you can see. I think what I am going to do, I'm going to take 2 of these out and put 2 spools in it at some point, and then have another pick of it, and I guarantee it feels a lot better. I'll get a binder, and I'll also get a nice false set. These, that's why it was so hard to get anywhere with this lock, because those drivers were so long. Zoom in. There we go. They are really long drivers. But so this is a small spring. That driver is nearly the size of that spring. And if you put it together as it would be, they're exactly the same. They're actually slightly longer than the spring. Could do with a key for this, but it's got a bit of a strange, well no, I've got typical Yale keyway, as you see, instead of other ones that I've got. But yeah, well, at least I finally got to know what was inside. It was a bit irritating that. It took me a while to get in there as well, and it's just all standard stuff. Bit disappointing for a Yale. I thought it might at least have had a couple of spools in it or something. But well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.